Hi friends, so today we will discuss about public revenue. So what is the public revenue? The public revenue is the government's revenue or government's income, whether it is central government, state government or local governments. A public revenue refers to the income that a government collects from various sources to fund its activities, programs, and services. Means the government has to earn income. We can see in the every year in the budget, the government will introduce so many projects, so many programs for the different kind of the sectors, agriculture, industry, and other sectors. They will make the programs for the development purpose. For these and for the expenditure for these programs, so the government has to earn money, earn income. This revenue is crucial for the functioning of a government. And then next is, what are sources of public revenue? One is tax revenue, another one is non-tax revenue. The tax revenue is very important for the every government. That is the primary revenue source to the every government. This is the primary source of public revenue and includes income from various types of taxes. In the tax revenue, different kind of the taxes are there. In the next video, we will discuss about clear what are taxes, direct tax and indirect taxes. Mainly, the tax revenue include income tax, corporate tax, value added tax, and property tax and customs duties, and even also GST is very important for the government tax revenue. And next one is non-tax revenue. This includes income that the government earns from sources other than taxes. Examples include fees, fines, license, earnings from public enterprises, and income from government owned assets such as rent from government buildings. So not only government will earn through the tax revenue, even also non-tax revenue also the important uh, for the government. And we can see fees, fines. For example, if any we want to take that income certificate or caste certificate, we have to give some fees, at least minimum fees 20 rupees or 40 rupees to the government for taking the certificate. And even also if any in case any fees and in uh, and even also in case some police service and uh, other services also we can give the some fees, and police will collect some fines, penalties. It will go to the government, uh, it will go to the government. And license and earnings from public enterprise. For example, license in case we have to create or we have to uh, build one new any business, micro enterprises or medium or small enterprises, we have to take some license from the government department, district industry center, like that. So some minimum fees is there, we have to give some fees and taking the license. And even also earnings from public enterprises, example is transportation, transportation and bus service and railway service, like that. And income from government owned assets. So this is the main non-tax revenue of the government. And next one is grants and aid. This includes financial assistance provided to the government by other governments and international organizations or other entities. These funds may be used for specific projects or general budget support, grants and aid. It's very important in case the government will take any some assistance from the other international organizations like International Monetary Fund, World Bank, or any Asian Development Bank, or any other countries and other governments. And this is in it will come under the grants and aid. And borrowing. Governments often borrow money either domestically or internationally, even sometimes in emergency or any war or through mm, flood situation and drought situation. In emergency, and government will borrow money from the other international institutions or domestic, sometimes domestically, and central government will borrow money from the state government, like that. So this is also in the, it will come under the sources of the government. And through the issuance of bonds or taking loans from financial institutions to meet short term or long term financial needs. Next one is earnings from state owned enterprises. Some governments own and operate businesses such as transportation companies or natural resource enterprises which generate revenue. So these are come under the non-tax revenue. So these are the main sources of public revenue. One is tax revenue, another one is non-tax revenue. So in the next video, we will discuss about what are taxes are there. In the taxes, tax revenues, direct tax and indirect tax, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.